In the first video in this series, What is Multi-Tenancy in Sonar?, we were able to learn what multi-tenancy is and how it applies to Sonar. In this video, we'll learn how Sonar will benefit your organization as a result of the multi-tenancy design, where you've already expanded your organization into a multi-company enterprise. Whether the expansion was through acquisition or to serve different markets for limited liability reasons, Sonar is positioned to provide you just as much benefit as in any other scenario. To deliver exceptional value and quality of service to your customers, your organization needs to be on the ball when it comes to communication, branding, customer management, and financial reporting. When you have multiple organizations as part of your enterprise, you need software that can keep track of them. With Sonar, you're able to add each organization, department, or division as a new company. These companies are what will let you take full advantage of the multi-tenancy features of your instance, and each distinct entry provides its own customization options. Branding, customer portal links, general invoice configuration, and name information are all determined at this stage. Tracking customer accounts and serviceable addresses allows you to more easily know where your various organizations can deliver service, what services can be delivered, and which market segment is currently underserved. With Sonar, all that information is tracked within your instance across all companies you've added. This means historical serviceability information, historical customer information, and historical equipment information will be available to your team regardless of which organization or department they may belong to. By sharing this information across your organization, you'll be able to more quickly deploy cross-organizational customer changes or acquisitions, and be able to more efficiently onboard customers from additional acquisitions. When you operate multiple distinct organizations out of one instance, or in similar geographical areas, it's important to ensure that your customers are able to easily distinguish between the different organizations. For this reason, adding a company to Sonar allows you to customize the invoice by adding image branding, physical location information for your business, and the company's name as a header. Invoices will be sent to customers based on the company they're assigned to as they get activated in your instance. Each invoice can also contain unique information in the form of attachments or messages, such as current promotions or general messaging regarding your businesses. Contracts are an excellent way to set expectations for your organization and to ensure the customer knows exactly what they're receiving. The way Sonar manages contracts is by first requiring a completion of a contract template, and these templates can be restricted for use by specific companies. For instance, if you offer a 99% SLA to your enterprise customers exclusively, having a contract template assigned to your enterprise ISP means this agreement won't be exposed to customers or your other companies, and avoids any cases where incorrect contracts are sent. Once a contract template is filled out, the delivery and signature are both done electronically, with a signed copy of the contract available to your employees and to the customer on their account. As with contracts, it's important for customers to be able to easily distinguish information when it originates from your various organizations. Because most communication occurs through email, Sonar allows you to quickly define email message content and add branding information, such as images, directly to the email message. Each message will be set to originate from a predetermined email address that will make use of your validated email domains for each organization. This branding also exists internally, allowing you to configure canned replies in your instance and restrict their usage to specific ticket groups. This allows you to have quick replies created for your enterprise serving organization in addition to your retail serving organization, with no way for the canned messages to get mixed up. To deliver internet to your customers, you need to define services in Sonar. Each service defines a price, billing frequency, applicable taxes, and allows you to restrict the service to specific companies in your instance. By restricting services, you're also able to restrict packages, which can be advantageous when offering promotional bundles only to certain segments of your business. Additionally, internet services restricted to companies will provide you more versatility when extracting your FCC Form 477 report from Sonar, allowing you to view customers by their assigned company, or as if they all belong to your primary company. Letting customers have access to a self-service portal typically results in an improved customer experience. Whether they use it to manage billing or to track their monthly usage, a customer portal provides them a measure of control over their account without needing to involve your support team. Each company added to your instance can be configured with their own customer portal and customer portal URL. This allows you to ensure your customers are managing the correct account if they've subscribed with multiple companies, or reduce confusion when multiple customer portals are available. Configuring the default billing parameters for each company in your instance will allow your Sonar instance to automate the billing process for customers as soon as they're assigned to a company in your instance. Whether you're using a shared billing default for each segment or configuring a unique one for every company, the billing dates and automatic billing will be handled by Sonar. Another benefit of billing default configuration is the option to maintain existing billing settings when you acquire a new business and their customer base. Sonar offers incredible flexibility when it comes to the application of technician jobs and truck rolls, and it all starts with defining job types. Each job type can be fully customized and restricted to specific companies. You can automate status changes, service applications, and ticket creation through the job type based on its completion status. From there, scheduling builds from the job types. Each job type will have its own schedule, available technicians, and repetition settings. Lastly, you have schedule blockers and schedule time off, which allows you to assign users specific timing to restrict them from being assigned a job. The entire process allows you to automate many portions of the dispatch process and builds off how Sonar handles companies and your settings. The inventory module in Sonar allows your organization to manage and track the life cycle of all items being assigned to technicians, network sites, or customers. The manufacturers, models, and items are all accessible by every company added to your instance and can be assigned or unassigned as needed. Purchase orders allow you to simplify your inventory request process. Rather than requiring a separate application or manual email to your vendor, Sonar allows you to add vendors and items to your instance. Each company in your organization can be added as a purchase group, allowing you to quickly look at historical data and be able to determine frequently purchased or overpurchased items. Sonar includes a built-in business intelligence reporting tool. With the flexibility of reporting available to you, you can narrow the focus of each report to only look at data specific to individual companies. Whether you're using it to determine financial performance of specific companies or how customers are using the services you're delivering across all segments, the reporting dashboard will be one of your most powerful tools in your toolbox for continued growth with Sonar. Because multi-tenancy provides the benefit of a shared database across your organization, it also demonstrates the importance of accurate data logging and retention. With Sonar, every modification is monitored and every page view is recorded. Information about the date, time, and user that initiated the action will be accessible for as long as your instance remains active. With this extra measure of accountability, your data and customer information are protected from bad actors through visibility and detailed information when changes are made. When evaluating software for your multi-company organization, having software that's prepared to scale is important. Not only does it reduce cost across your organization as you avoid multiple flat fees and subscription fees, but using the same software across your organization encourages internal growth. As your employees become subject matter experts, they're able to move between organizations and remain superstars with the software that runs your business. Additionally, having your entire organization in one database means reporting is more effective because more information is immediately accessible. If you'd like to learn more about other scenarios where Sonar's multi-tenancy design can benefit your business, be sure to watch the other videos in the series. To learn more about how Sonar can help you automate, simplify, and scale your business, schedule a demo today.